Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Prophet Adam alayhi salatu wassalam, Allah is the creator. When you look at the sky, the sun and the moon and the stars, whom do you think of? When you see the flowers, trees, birds and animals, whom do you think of? Who made the whole world? Allah made the sun, the moon, the sky, and Allah made the first man. He called him Adam. Man is different from animals and plants in many ways. Animals and plants cannot think the way man thinks. They cannot talk, but Adam could do these things. So the Quran mentions Adam about 25 times in different surahs. So the man Allah made had a body and a soul. Each of the people of the world has a body and a soul. Allah created Adam from clay and breathed life into him. When our Lord said to the angels, I am putting a Khalifa on the earth, the angel said, why put on it who the one who will cause corruption and shed blood on it, while we are glorify you with praise. Allah said, I know inni a'lamu ma la ta'lamun. I know what you don't know. Allah then taught Adam, وَعَلَّمَ آدَمَ الْأَسْمَاءَ كُلَّهَا. Allah then taught Adam the names of all things. Then he asked the angels, tell me the names of these if you are truthful. They said, glory be to you. We have no knowledge except what you have taught us. You are all knowing, all wise. Allah said, Adam, tell them, tell them their names. And Adam told them their names. Allah then commanded the angels to prostrate to Adam. They prostrated, but Iblis was of the jinn, did not prostrate. He refused, was arrogant, and was one of the disbelievers. Adam first lived in the garden in paradise with his wife Hawa. The garden was very beautiful. Allah allowed Adam and his wife Hawa to eat freely whatever and whenever they wished, but he forbade them to approach a particular tree in the garden. He told them to keep away from this tree and warned them to not to eat of it, and they would become wrongdoers. But Shaitan made them sleep by whispering evil thoughts into their hearts. He led to them by telling them that if they ate of that tree, it would make them like angels, and they would live forever. At last, Adam and Hawa forgot Allah's warning. They ate of the tree. As soon they tasted it, they felt ashamed and knew that they had done something wrong. They were sorry for disobeying Allah. They prayed to Allah to forgive them, and He forgave them. But Allah commanded them to go to the earth to live there for some time. He also promised that they and their children would be allowed to return to paradise if they obeyed Allah. Allah also made Adam a prophet. He was the first prophet. He worshipped Allah alone. He taught his children and grandchildren how to worship and obey Allah. He also taught his children and grandchildren how to be thankful to Allah. Adam alayhi salam and Hawa alayhi salam had many children and grandchildren. After the death of Adam alayhi salam, Allah chose other prophets from among the children of a prophet Adam alayhi salam.